Greetings everyone. In today's spooky rope drop video, I'm doing some of the scariest rides I can think of here at Disneyland. That's including Indiana Jones Adventure, Temple of the Forbidden Eye, Pirates of the Caribbean, and of course, the Haunted Mansion. And you know what? I'm hoping you'll join me. Let's roll that intro. The spooky rope drop is commencing right now. Oh my gosh, look how terrifying it is. Ooh. Well, let's begin with a very spooky attraction. Indiana Jones Adventure, Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Here we go once again, onto the breach. I've walked through this queue line so many times and it's always great. It's always been spooky, right? Kind of the point, I think. Yeah, cracks are starting to show though. No, but look at this. Terrifying. It's so scary. Very, very scary. Like, okay, we'll walk this way. The spike room, I love the spike room. Of course, before the spike room, we have the bat cave. What'd you hear that? Where are the bats? Where are they? Ah, yes, the famous spike room. Still missing that bamboo pole, though, from a while ago. I don't know if that's ever coming back, but yeah, such a cool effect. So right there, pull it, and then it would make the noise. They were coming down to get you. The old spikes. Oh, maybe it'll come back one day. Maybe. Fingers crossed. Oh, the antechamber. How beautiful. It does always remind me a little bit of Dinosaur. Oh, my beloved Dinosaur. Any dinosaur fans watching today, let me know. Oh, here we go again, about to hop on. Oh, the excitement. Oh, yes, very spooky ride, very fun ride. You're even gonna let me drive. That's the scariest thing of all. Okay, here we go. Rich. We are gonna be rich.
The treasure of Mara.
Oh my goodness.
Glittering gold.
Okay.
It is yours.
All the money in the world. Oh, that's great. Again, every single time. Now I have to save all these people. Okay, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Oh. Another day in the temple. I'm trying. I'm sorry.
You had to look.
No, I didn't look, Indy. I never look. I would never look, Indy. It's very quiet. There we go. Ah, yes. There we go. Hello, senior citizens. On top. Oh, no. I can't see very well. I'm going to turn the lights on. It's one of these knobs. Oh, it's... There we go. Oh, found it. Oh, there we go. Let's go next. The listing to the right. Oh. There we go. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay. Oh, there. Got a box in there. Oh my God. There we go. Woo! There we go. And there we go.
Snakes. You guys are on your own.
Hello. That fire feels nice. Woo! Oh my gosh, we're being shot at. Feels great. Oh yeah. Oh no. Alright, you guys get out and push. I'm gonna try to turn it over, okay? I think it's, oh I got it, never mind, go. We're good. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, oh no. Alright, we're gonna take this real slow, everybody. Real slow. Oh, I'm sorry, I hit something, I'm so sorry. Oh no, I'm condemned to fall. Wow. Oh, man. Indy hopping right now. Indy, right. Indy, I'm sorry. You had your chance. We gotta leave. Pirates code. Here we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. There we go. Yay.
Not bad. Tourist.
Hey man, we live here. There we go. did it. Best driver, yay! If you want to see what a professional driver looks like, look no further. We were gonna be rich though. We were gonna be rich. Somebody looked. Oh well. I saved all their lives. 8th grades. I'm just kidding. That was fun. I love that ride. So it's a great way to start off the day, you know what I mean? It's a real road trip, baby. Yeah. We're gonna let the spooky times roll with Pirates of the Caribbean. Basically a walk on. Oh, it feels so good. Oh yes, the bromine fills the lungs. Feels so good. Oh my gosh, I love this ride.
And snow flash so prepare.
You can see the fireflies twinkling in the night air, even though it's the morning. That's how magical Disneyland is. You never know what time of day it's going to be until you actually get onto the attraction. Oh, hello, Mr. Gator. It is no one behind us. Oh, that's so cool.
And there be plundering pirates
There he is in the distance. Mr. Skull and Cross
Set
Swords.
closer together
Oh
and
my
hear
gosh,
the
we're going down
names.
the caves.
That be the best way to repel boarders. And mark well me words, mateys. Dead men.
Devin told what? Here's some blighters and ne'er-do-well cats. Drink up, me out of do. Why? But we're loved by our mommies and dads. Drink up, me out of do. Hands up at home. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We pillage and plunder, we rifle and loot. Drink up, me out of do. Wow. Immersive theming surrounds. Feels so good. Like, I know there are other attractions with incredible theming, but I just don't know if any of them top this for me. Just like, look at that. That's amazing. It's so good. It always has been good. Yeah. I love it. I love it so. Look at that waterfall. Beautiful. Beautiful. Sometimes they have a long to the left. It's not been going for a bit ski, it doesn't seem like. I found all the treasure I was supposed to get from the Temple of Mara. It's all right over here. Fortunately, the boat won't stop to let me get out and grab it. Ah, shucks. Snap ravage and don't give a hoot. Drink up, me yo ho, a pirate's life. This is spooky too. Look at how much fire's back there. It's gonna be a ghost town soon. You get it? You get it? You know what isn't spooky? This. I love this shot. These pigs are so happy. Oh, happy little piggies. All these guys still trying to get out of here. Don't do it, Pooch. Do it. Ah, we get a little traffic. Oh no. Wow. Right by the Pooch. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, Captain Jack Sparrow, not that creepy. However, I would say these rats are kind of spooky. Huh? At least that's what I think they are. Or maybe they're bats. Rats or bats? I'm thinking rats. I don't know why I feel rats, but it feels more rats to me. Yeah, spooky bricks. Wait, maybe they're not that spooky. I just love them. Yeah, I love this ride. Have I said that enough? Have I said it at least once or 35 times this video? I love this ride, I love this ride, I love this ride. It's almost time for Haunted Mansion Holiday, which I always tell people is even better at night, but you know what? I'll take it any time of the day because it's a cloudy, spooky day at Disneyland and you gotta ride the mansion. You got to. That's right, we're going back into the mansion. Oh, on this cloudy day, it's perfect, it's perfect. Oh, ah yes, it's Happy Hollowmas, everybody, yes. Oh my goodness. I love this portrait gallery. Love it. I love this whole ride. It's so good. Oh, so spooky. Yes. Ah, beautiful, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Oh. I am.
We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
Oh, thank goodness! I wanna go on the tour. Oh, I love Haunted Mansion Holiday.
All will soon cover.
Hi, Zero, sweet boy.
And what do you wonder, guys?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Throw me around. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, kidnap the Santa Claus. Let's do it. Oh, the little bat. I bat. Hello, yes, keep me right here. Keep me right here. Oh, I love you so much. You're so weird. Oh, you're so cool. Oh, we're kidnapping the Santa Claus and it's very waltzy, you know? One of these years, the gingerbread house is gonna be like the size of the entire room. Yeah. I kid. It's beautiful though. So beautiful. Oh, the hidden Mickey down there. Let's see it. The lights. I love it. Oh my goodness. Please. More Haunted Mansion Holiday. Let's just overlay a lot of rides with the Haunted Mansion Holiday. Indiana Jones with the Haunted Mansion Holiday. I think it'd be great. If that is spooky, I don't know what is. Okay. Alright. Terrifying. The attic is spooky. But I like it. Little gingerbread men. You're doing it. The RM Railroad. It's good stuff. Yay, Jack and Zero. Oh, I love it. And not to be outdone by all these cool gifts. Hatbox. What up, brother? There he is. Hi, Jackie. Grim Grin Ghost come out to socialize. So cool. Time to see what's in store from Oogie Boogie. And there he is. Come on, winner, winner. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh, we were close. We were very close. We were one off. Still pretty good though. Candy cane snakes. I'll take them. I'll take them. Well, everyone, that's going to do it for my spooky rope drop video. Which of the rides we did today are your favorite? Let me know it down in the comments below. And leave the word spooky, S-P-O-O-K-Y, if you made it all the way to the end. If you really want to help out this video, consider giving it a like and sharing it around. That's the best thing you can do for the channel. But if you want to support in an even bigger way than that, then check out the links down below. Shout out to the members and the patrons. Thank you guys so very much. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Your patience has been rewarded with a bonus bit. Because what's spookier than heading on over to Tom Sawyer Island? It's a pirate's lair. Oh my gosh, here we go. It's so spooky. Nothing like a private raft. Wow. Feeling bougie once again. I'll take it. Yes, I've come back to the Dead Man's Grotto. I haven't been here in so long. So I came here with purpose. And here we go. Here we go. Wish me luck. This is terrifying. I cannot see anything. Oh, I can see things again. Yay. They've zhuzhed up the sounds and stuff in here. We found it. The dead man's chest. I can feel it. Oh yes. I've got the heart of Davy Jones. I control the 7 Seas. Yeah. So let's switch to the 10. As you can see in here. Bum, 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 bum. It says, a warning to all, here be the heart of Davy Jones. So, I am the ruler of the 7 Seas now. Yes! As long as I don't get thrown in the locker. Again, here's just appreciation for this. Wow. How intense is this? This is legit spooky. Oh my gosh. Continue on down through the tunnels. Here's this guy in here. It says, a warning to them what breaks the pirate code. Behold the fate of any thieving scoundrel who dares to steal a shipmate's plunder. Signed, J. Gibbs, first mate.
This ruddy island all you please. But listen when me hearties leave this cursed treasure be.
This is wrong way. Ye have been warned. This is where I actually popped out of. Look over here. Now ducks. So many ducks. How many ducks do you see? I see 8, at least. It's a lot of ducks. Okay. Wow, so many ducks. Wow, this is getting intense. Actually, no, I see now 11 ducks. There's so many ducks. There's some ducks over here. It's a lot. Anyway, thank you everybody for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the bonus bit. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.